From few days back, I have been thinking about curiosity and how to spark it, why the innate skill of asking questions tend to drop off as we move through school and into careers. This prompted me to look a bit more deeply into how I can develop curiosity as a skill in our children's and youth. Hello everybody, this is Rupa and you are with me in Teachings of Life, the place to learn life skills. You might have guessed about today's topic of discussion. Yes, today I will discuss about curiosity, the force within a hungry mind. According to research, it is the joy of exploration, a hidden force that drives learning, critical thinking, and reasoning. We call this ability curiosity, and we recognize it in children when we see them exploring their environment, information, asking questions, investigating concepts, manipulating data, searching for meaning, connecting with people and nature, and seeking new learning experiences. Curious children often spend a great deal of time reading and acquiring knowledge because they sense a gap between what they know and what they want to know, not because they are motivated by grades. In fact, when kids are in curiosity grip, they often forget the immediate goals at hand because they are preoccupied by learning. If you suspect that curious kids fare better in careers and life, you are right. And for a variety of reasons, research suggests that intellectual curiosity has a big of an effect on performance as hard work. When put together, curiosity and hard work account for success just as much as intelligence. Another study found that people who were curious about a topic retained what they learned for a longer periods of time. And even more impressive research has linked curiosity to a wide range of important adaptive behaviors, including tolerance of anxiety and uncertainty, positive emotions, humor, playfulness, out-of-box thinking, and non-critical attitude. All are attributes associated with healthy social outcomes. Curiosity is the part of compass advantage because it is at the heart of lifelong learning. Curiosity not only gives children an advantage in school, but today's business leaders agree that it is also at the heart of thriving organizations. Psychologists view curiosity as a life force, vital to happiness, intellectual growth, and well-being. The greatest advantage of curiosity lies in its power to motivate learning in areas of life and work that are meaningful to the learner. It points students towards the knowledge, skill, relationship, and experiences that they need to live full and productive lives. Curiosity is one of the 8 pathways to every student's success. There are some ways to stimulate a student's curiosity. First way is value and reward curiosity. Often the temptation is to reward students when their curiosity leads to a desired outcome or good grade. But it is more important to notice and reinforce curiosity when you see it in action. When you praise students by describing how their questions, explorations, and investigations are contributing to their own classroom learning, you let them know that they are valued for their motivation, regardless of the grade they achieve. Second way is teach students how to ask quality questions. Quality questions are a vital medium for curiosity. Google is great at finding answers but does not stimulate the formation of questions. Good questions contain why, what if, and how. Third way is encourage students to tinker. Tinkering might be constructive. play with feelings, concepts, ideas, and materials. How can students create a new essay, blog, article, poem, science experiment, service, or product from their exploration? Tinkering with materials, thoughts, emotions stimulates curiosity and lead to innovative outcomes. Fourth way is spread the curiosity around. Create opportunities for more curious and less curious students to work together in project-based learning. Curiosity is contagious in groups working toward a real-world common goal, helping to cross-pollinate questions and new ideas. Curiosity at its core is all about noticing and being drawn to things we find interesting. When we are curious, we see things differently. We use our powers of observation more fully. We sense what is happening in the present moment, taking note of what is, regardless of what it looked like before, or what we might have expected it to be. We feel alive and engaged, more capable of embracing opportunities, making connections and experiences moments of insight and meaning, all of which provide the foundation for a rich, aware, and satisfying life experience. Satisfaction of one's curiosity is one of the greatest sources of happiness in life. With this beautiful quote, I end my today's topic. Please check out my YouTube channel for more videos and share with love and joy for the world to enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is my aspiration. Thank you.